All right, we're back here where CORTIS go. This is the Conceptual, did I say that right? Performance film. It's your boy Dre. What's up, y'all? Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. But what do you call it? There has been, I've been seeing like the response to this pre-debut. It's not even their debut, y'all. I'm curious to see what their debut is as well. It comes out August 18th. It's like August 11th when filming this. Go is just a vibe. Is it like the best thing since Sliced Bread? Is it inspiring? No, but I'm vibing with it. So when people say, and it's I think it's fine to not like be into their song or be into any song, but some people are just straight hating on it. I'm like, oh, maybe it's just not for you, but you know what? More for me. And I like it. I like it. I love the instrumental to it. I love the synth in it as well. I'm a fan of bass too. Like doo, 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 doo. Like I love that. So and then now we're gonna be checking out the dance to it, right? Like the performance version of it. So I'm very curious to see what's gonna happen. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe for more. Play my intro. Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Big hit music. New boy group alert. Oh, what the hell he took? What was that? He just took a random paper? What'd that say? That's an Easter egg? What does that say? Damn, I'm like, you know, listen, I'm a pretty good person. Okay. That's an interesting shirt. What does that paper say? Dang. He's so... It's definitely not a real town. Oh damn, I just realized his tongue was out, or like he put his thing out. I have to get used to the members too. I know Martin. Hey, 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 hey. That shit go hard, bro. That shit go hard. Hey, 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 that's interesting. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a vibe. I saw that another reactor was talking about it. That this is like more of an intro, and it is, like I said, it's just a pre-debut. We'll see more or form more of an opinion of them once they release an album and their debut finally. But so far, I'm vibing out, y'all. I like the dance too. They go hard too. I love the beat so much. It's so good. That beat goes so hard. That's hard. My boy, you are tall as hell. And that angle don't make it any better. Looking down on me like this. Hey, 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 hey. It's more of a, oh, okay, I was about to say you're gonna be dancing a lot. It's an interesting dance. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. It's definitely a fake town.
taking lights. Picked out a body on your match bike. I just gotta get it, watch me go.
Hey, 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 hey. That shit go hard.
I just gotta get it, watch me go.
Woo, woo, hey, 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 hey.
I just gotta get it, cause I knew.
Hey, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, talk your shit, big man. That's fire. People go back to look at all these actors just walk into frame. It gave a different perspective for the song too, a little bit, just more of a dance performance heavy, because you see a little bit more of the dance of them just vibing out. Like, hey, hey, damn boy, you long-legged, goddamn. Hey, 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 hey. Get it, get it.
I just gotta get it, cause I knew it.
Woo.
Cause I knew it.
Hey.
Cause I knew shit.
Woo.
Cause I knew shit. Cause I knew it. Cause I knew it.
Love
Cause I knew
the
shit. Cause I knew shit. Yeah.
Man, can't wait for their debut. I'm very curious to see what they have in store August 18th. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to check out the Patreon if anything. Check out my Twitch. You know, I'll be posting everywhere. My shorts, my YouTube shorts, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, I already know. Click the link in the bio. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.